Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. Here I am sitting down here in my craft room, and I was looking for something today and I never found what I was looking for. So that gives you an idea of what my craft room is like. I didn't find what I was looking for, but I did find puzzle pieces. They're wooden puzzle pieces. So I was like, wow. So you know how when you're searching for stuff and you finally get to your craft room and you're like, okay, we'll go down and make it. And you get down there and you look and you have a thought in your head of what you wanted to do. You're gathering all your pieces, but the main piece you can't find. That's what happened to me today. And so I said, okay, I found these puzzle pieces. What I'm working on is I'm trying to make myself a junk journal. I'm making myself a junk journal. And I wanted to do it a little bit different, as you can see. I wanted to do it a little bit different and see what I could do. So I want to be able to fill it up with ephemera. So I said, okay, so I got these puzzle pieces. Let's make some ephemera for my junk journal and see how that works. So I've been sitting here playing. Let me show you what I made so far. So this is a puzzle piece, and I made it a pocket, and it's a purple. And let me put this over to the side so I can pull them out. So I made this one. So it's a pocket, has friends, lace and everything on it. It's very pretty. It's a puzzle piece. I don't need to do anything with the back because that's where I'm going to glue it inside the book. So this is a tag one. So I made that one. Since I was playing with tags and everything like that, I made this one. It's kind of bee-like. I made a bee journal also that I probably will use this in. And this one also has a tag. So it has this pocket on the back. That, of course, is going to be glued down. And I used some bee ribbon that I had from the Dollar Tree. Cut out a few things. And this one says within my heart. So put the girl on there, cut her out. Then I went to play with some butterflies and some collage, so I made this one. I told you, I was looking for something, and once I started playing with these puzzle pieces, I did. So I did this one, more flowers, butterflies, just fills with gratitude, a deposit ticket and box. Just playing with ephemera and building a collage with that one. This one, I decided to use a little distress oxides on it and did it that way and called it a work of art and got that one. I think this is pretty cute because I got some fabric back here on it, and this is like a fabric leaf. This one, I just really like this one. This one's a little bit vintagey, with roses and frames and things like that, and I like that piece. It was a piece of I can't remember what this was, but I fell off something and I kept it in my little junk pile, and I said I'll use it, and that looks really good on there. And then this one, little vintage, so I made that one too. Put the little puffy bird on there and the puffy heart. I think they all came out pretty good. So I had two more that I painted, and I wanted to play on camera with you to see what I could come up with to finish my last two that I want to have for my junk journal. I might even, put them on a card or something like that. I don't know. So I'm thinking something like this. Let's do one at a time. Thinking something like this. Maybe if I could put a little that on it. I'm just going to go ahead and glue them down because I think I'm going to like them. So I'm just going to glue it down. I'm not going to, usually what happens with me is I usually think things too much. And then it ends up not, I'm end up tearing it apart, not liking what I did, or something like that. But with these little collages and everything, I decided I'm not going to think too hard about it. I'm just going to go ahead and glue them down because I like them. I'm just going to go ahead and glue it down and be happy with what I've done. Just be happy with it and don't think too hard about it, because if I think too hard about it, I'm just going to mess up. So I'm not going to think too hard about it. I'm just going to go ahead and play around and glue it and get it glued down and just enjoy my process. Because sometimes I get too in my head about stuff and I don't get to enjoy my process, and then I'm thinking, oh man, I should have done this, oh man, I should have done that, and it's not, I don't need to do that. Nope, don't do it, Jay. Don't do it. So just get out. I have a whole bunch of ephemera pieces over here that I gathered up for this to try to figure out what I wanted to use. This one is kind of being a little, it needs just an arc of color or something on it. Maybe if I had a leaf or something I could put on it, that would help it. So I hope you all are enjoying yourselves today, and that the weekend's almost here, and tomorrow's Friday, and oh, I like that. I like that. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. I like that. Let's see, do I need to add any more to it? Because I got a whole bunch of stuff over here. Let me see what I got. Got this little girl. Does she fit? I don't know about her. I don't know. Let's see what else I got. Got this flower. Got this flower for this side. I like that. I kind of like that. I don't think I want to put too much on here. I like it the way it is. I think I did like her on there somewhere. You know, she kind of was just creeping in there somewhere. Right there, she should be. She's a little fairy. So she could be right there, like that. What do you think? I don't want to overdo it, because sometimes I put too much on it. But I'm thinking inside my junk journal, these ephemera is going to be looking good. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to get a whole bunch of ephemera ready for my journal. So I'll be making ephemera for a little bit until I figure out what I want to do with it. I want it to be eclectic with a lot of different looks to each page, and I want it to be fun, whimsical, not too serious. I think I like that there. You know what? I like this clock too. Let me do this first before I seal that down. Before I put that down. Oops. See, that's what I do a lot. Before I put that down, get right there. I want to put clock right there. Now, I need these flowers here. I think they're coming out pretty, I think it's coming out to play with these pieces. It's really looking really good. I like playing with these pieces. And you know, we got, when they put all this stuff on sale, and when we went inside of Hobby Lobby to pick up stuff, we picked up a little bit of everything. So our stash contains a lot of different things. Let me cut this off. Our stash contains a lot of different things that we just need to start pulling out and using. And I'm convincing myself through this period of time that I want to limit my buys. I want to play with all my stuff. And if I find what I was looking for today, I can continue to play. I'm going to have to take that and get my thing and kind of saw that down a little bit. Let's see what else I got. I got a button. Got a little teeny pink button. Put that right there. And what else I got? I got a house. House does look kind of good there, but not really. Maybe half a house. Not a whole house, just half a house. I like half a house. Let me put half a house on there. So I like this actual collaging of things on top of here. Some of the ones have a little bit dimension to it, but I don't want them to have too much dimension, because if it has too much dimension, I'm going to have a little problem getting it in my book the way I want it. There. That's looking pretty good. I got this. I don't know about that. Let's see what else I got. See that. Nope. You know, I might be finished with this. I might be finished with it, I think. I might be finished. So I got the weekend. Tomorrow is Friday. Finally the end of the week. And I still got a lot to do. I gotta get some painting done on the outside of my house, at least where my garage is. I gotta do some caulking and stuff. You know, that one's nice. That looks really nice. They're looking pretty cool. What do you think? I'm thinking they look pretty cool. I like them. Do I have enough stuff to do one more? Well, I didn't paint the other one. Got some purple stuff. Some purple. Nope, I didn't paint that board. And when they're not, well, because I have this one here. That's kind of, once you get going, see, that's the problem. Once you get going with this, you want to just put stuff you want to just be putting stuff all over it. You want to go, okay, let me keep going. Let me make something else. Let me do something else. You know, you keep wanting to play and everything to just, you know, just keep it going. Just keep it going, because you're enjoying this process. But I don't think I have enough. I'll have to play with this one later, because I don't think I have enough stuff for this one to give me the look that I probably want for it. I'll have to play with this one later if I decide to make another one. But anyway, these are the ones that I made. So my hope is that when you go through your stash and you find your puzzle pieces, that you drag them out and make something beautiful. Because I think all of these came out really beautiful. Really beautiful. And I'm going to enjoy putting them on things. Like I can even see them on a card. So thanks for joining me today. And get your puzzle pieces out. Get your puzzle pieces out and start making ephemera. I know people did this before, so it's nothing new, but it'll be new to you when you start to doing it. Get that stuff out and start crafting. And I'll see you all in my next video. And also, hope you're looking forward to seeing me in my junk journal. Oh, look at that. I hope you're looking forward to seeing me with my junk journal. Putting my ephemera in my junk journal and doing a page. So thank you very much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please press that button and subscribe. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like the puzzle pieces. Also, I'd love to hear what you think, and have you done stuff with your puzzle pieces? I'd love to go over to your channel and look at what you have if you've already done some. And I just thank you for all just joining me today. Also, remember to take care of yourself. Self-care is not selfish, and we all deserve to treat ourselves nicely. I'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Talk to you soon. Bye now.